Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, I have enrolled. I have already told you that in this lockdown period, different type of course I want to enroll. So I have thought that why I will just lose my time in this crucial time. So I have enrolled TCS and Career Gauge. TCS has given different type of free courses which will improve and which will enhance our career. So I have thought that I can enroll for this course, and it is very essential course. It is mainly for the lockdown period. Different type of weak communication skills persons, they can enroll for this course for enhancement their English or enhancement their communication skill, enhancement their career in IT department, IT professionals they can become. So I have enrolled in this course, that is TCS and Career Age Young Professional Batch 1. This is unit day 1. This is communicate to impress. You can see guys, this online course on improve interpersonal skills for better results will help you in understanding what communication is and why we communicate. In this module you will learn how to communicate effectively using a combination of verbal and non-verbal communication methods. So if we tell that target audience, the course is for undergraduates seeking employment, working professionals and entrepreneurs. Course content is introduction to communication, process of communication, non-verbal communication, verbal communication, communication in business, and summary also. And the course information, of course this course can be completed in 2 hours. The module consists of self-learning material in the form of slides. Assessments is available at the end of the module. Completion of assessment is compulsory for the course certificate. It is in the case of day 1 communication skills. So I am going to the communicate to impress. So this is the improve interpersonal skills for better results.
Hi. Hi, buddy. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. It's party time. Hi, buddy. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. It's party time. Which version communicated the speaker message better? Why? It was the same set of words in both the cases. It's because, apart from words, communication involves intonation, action, body language, facial expressions, and other non-verbal communication devices. In this module, you will learn how to effectively communicate using a combination of verbal and non-verbal communication methods. We are sure you will learn the art of communicating effectively from this module. Happy learning!
So if we tell about this in this module, introduction, communicate to impress, they have told that communication involves intonation, actions, body language, facial expression, non-verbal communication devices. It's very important. Intonation, then this is actions, body language is very important, facial expression, non-verbal communication devices. 5 topics are very important. So then they have told that objectives, learn to communicate effectively using a combination of verbal and non-verbal communication methods. Learn to communicate effectively using a combination of verbal and non-verbal communication methods. Okay. So we can tell that in this module we will learn the art of communication effectively. Learn the art of communicating effectively. Learn the art of communicating effectively. Now we will go to this module, that is the introduction to communicate to impress. We have already taught. Now communicate to impress, next lesson. So next lesson we will be starting in very soon.
This module, you will learn to explain the importance of communication, describe the process of communication, discuss the barriers to communication, distinguish between verbal and non-verbal communication, use communication effectively.
So in this module they want to tell that I will learn that explain the importance of communication, means what is the importance of communication. This is very important in corporate world actually. Describe the process of communication. This how to the what is the procedure to communication. Okay, what is the process, how we will go through. Discuss the barriers of communication is very important. Barriers of communication. Distinguish between verbal and non-verbal communication and use communication effectively. Okay, this module has completed.
Why communication skills? Warren Buffett has said, if you that you will earn 50% more money over your lifetime.
Tell that why the communication skill. Why the communication skill means if you improve your communication skills, I guaranteed you that you will earn 50% more money over your lifetime. That means if you improve your communication skills, he will guarantee you that you will earn 50% more than what you can income. Okay, what you will earn in the lifetime, you can income more than it. Importance of communication. What is communication?
Act of sending information from one person to another. The definition may seem simple, but the actual process is complex. Why should we communicate? We communicate to give information. Example, two people talking to each other on news from the newspaper or radio. Persuade. Example, to sell a product or convince a person. Express need. Example, food when you are hungry or need a report for a meeting. Form social bonds. Example, greeting others or introducing yourself. Share feelings. Example, share your happiness or sorrow.
So, what is communication? Communication is an act of sending information. Act of sending information from one person to another. The definition may seem simple, but the actual process is complex. Why should we communicate? We communicate to give the information, like two people talking to each other, or news from the newspaper or radio. Persuade. Example, to sell the product or convince a person. Express need. Food when we are hungry or need a report for the meeting. From social bonds. Example, greeting others or introducing others. Share feelings. Example, share your happiness or sorrow. Okay. So, types of communication. Communication may be verbal, non-verbal, visual, written. Many times a combination of the methods are used. This makes the process of communication complex, like verbal, non-verbal, visual and written. Okay. So many times a combination of the above methods are used. This makes the process of communication complex. So process of communication means channel, decoder, receiver, feedback, sender and then encoder. So channel means channel will give the communication to decoder. From decoder the message gets gains by the receiver, then receiver the feedback, and from send then it will be go to the sender to encoder, encoder to channel to decoder to receiver, then feedback, then also go to the sender. Means from the sender to go to the encoder to channel to decoder to receiver to feedback, then feedback also go to the sender. So process of communication. What is the process of communication? Okay, Process of communication. Let us understand the process with the help of an example. Sunil is a project manager and Rishi is a team lead who reports to Sunil. Sunil urgently requires a quarterly sales report for a meeting with the vice president sales. Sunil requires the monthly target versus achieved report for the team and individual team members reports for appraisals. Sunil makes a phone call to Rishi and asks him to send his individual sales report for the quarter. Rishi is on a very busy street during the phone call. He is barely able to hear anything but the word sale report and assumes the rest and confirms that he will do as asked. Rishi sends to Sunil the last month's sales figure. Sunil is angry when he sees that he has not received that he has asked for. Now we shall look at the different parts of this example, keeping the process of communication in. So this is the process of communication which is called encoding. So first is the sender. Sunil is the source of the message to be communicated, hence he is a sender. Sender to then encoder. Encoder means Sunil thinks of the message in his brain. He then converts the message into the words. This process is called coding, encoding. Okay. A signal in the form of the words is now created. This signal is now sent across to the receiver using a channel. Here the channel is a telephone. Other examples of channels are emails, air, SMS, etc. So now process of communication which is decoding. Decoder means Rishi, who is receiving the message, has to break down the message and understand it. This is the process of decoding. Receiver means Rishi now absorbs the message feedback. He replies that he would do as asked. This is the feedback he gave. So barriers to communication. In this case study, we understand that Sunil was angry with Rishi as he did not give the correct report. Why do you think this happened? This occurs since Rishi received the mail when he was on a busy street. There was lot of noise around him and this acted as a barrier to the communication process. Rishi did not tell Sunil that he could not hear him clearly due to the noise of the traffic around him and that he would call once more to clarify the requirement. Instead, he worked on assumptions. This led to the errors. Proper feedback includes raising doubts and seeking clarity by briefly restarting what he has been heard, thus preventing errors. Communication barriers means which is obstruction which will not should be created, as it will be created means it that from the channel or from the sender to decoder the message will not sent properly. So these are the obstruction that is called barriers. Barriers to communication, different type of barriers we can see that in the as this is the channel, that from the sender to encoder, encoder to channel, channel to decoder, decoder to receiver, that is the feedback. But barrier will stay in the position of encoder to decoder. So barriers can be physical, cultural, gender, psychological, language and perceptual. So barriers can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types. That is physical, cultural, gender, psychological, language, perceptual. Barriers to communication. First is the physical barriers. Physical barriers means separation of barriers, then distance barriers, then noise barriers and the time barriers.